Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U Chief Electoral Officer U BDR Tiwari ula pentikna bakawat baningkong lanega first phase ban Pyntreikam yaga special intensive revision hapo ka Meghalaya kan Sdang Naduh ka arpau Tarik hadu arp kandai Tarik upanai Jylliew arhajar apunrio habakren shikila pathai kubor u Tiwari ulaong banadu lai pau Tarik upanai Jylliew hadu ka lai pau Tarik upanai naitung ki boot level officers kinnet jurip ya ki man ki terlong yeng ban pentikna ya ka jingdon ki nong thep vote ka jingpenmi ya ka draft publication kan dei ha ka santarik ubanai nailar bad hadin santarik ubanai nailar hadu ka sautarik unailur ar haja apunrio on play lad ikipat ba ban mudui lang lani claims and objective ulaong u CEO ula pentip ru bahaga nyotarik ubanai risau ar haja apunrio on penmi ya ka thop kerteng ki nong thep vote lani final electoral roll habakali halor ka Tarik ban penlong ya ka election MP shiteng samoy na Shillong parliamentary seat u CEO ulaong ngindang hap ban pendep shwa ya ka SIR tharai ka election kala ban sha panjalan u CEO ula pentikna baga tenat penyat election kan le ya ka baron kam ban pentikna baki badai hok ban yo thep vote kin sha kan thup ha ka electoral roll but kitu ki bam day ban yo kin sha weng na ka electoral roll.
As per Election Commission's schedule, the special intensive revision for Meghalaya is 2026. The training phase is starting from 20th June to 29th June, and then 30th June till 29th July. It will be house-to-house visit by the booth level officers, and draft publication will be there on the 5th August 2026, and after that from 5th August till 4th of September 2026 the period will be for claims and objections, and the publication of final electoral roll will be on the 7th October 2026, and qualifying date of SIR is the 1st October 2026.
Sir, whether the Lok Sabha by-election likely to postpone with this SIR exercise?
We are ongoing this SIR exercise, so this exercise is continuing.
So the election may be after October?
Maybe.
Sir, April, May this year, Lahore Student Union, they had come up saying that वहाँ पर there are households जहाँ पर पहले दिखाया खाली 4 members है, then it rose up to 80, like so much.
SIR will happen as per the schedule, as per the mandate, and there will be no ineligible voter will be included and no eligible voter will be left. Our authorities, our machinery will ensure it as per the rule. Thank you.